Braces. There's metal ones, there's clear ones, and there's invisible ones? Why so many? Which one is the best? I'm Dr. Kayla and welcome to the second episode of Brace Yourself, where I talk about braces and all things related. When we are talking about braces, we are actually talking about orthodontics. It is a branch of dentistry that helps to correct the position of your teeth and jaw and can even modify facial growth. Today, we'll be focusing on fixed orthodontic appliances, or more commonly known as braces.
Braces is something very easy one. Auntie, no the metal one Christmas that time you change in the green red because festive. Then Chinese New Year, you have to change to the red. What is something very important I tell you. Still got the better one like that only no?
Well, there's many types of braces, but let's talk about the 4 common types of braces. The conventional braces, the self-ligating braces, ceramic braces, and clear aligners. First, conventional braces. It is a popular type of braces that uses colorful rubber bands, which are actually elastic bands called modules, to hold the arch wire to the brackets, thus bring our teeth into the desired position. The treatment time usually ranges from 1 to 3 years or more, depending on case complexity, and the cost is usually cheaper. Second, self-ligating braces. Now, these braces is very similar in terms of appearance compared to conventional braces, but instead of utilizing colorful rubber bands, this bracket has special clips to hold on to the arch wire. These braces produce faster results with lesser pain and requires less dental visits. Since it doesn't require modules, it is also easier to take care of the cleanliness. However, the cost is more expensive compared to conventional braces. Third, ceramic braces. Braces generally consist of 3 main parts: the brackets, the arch wire, and the connecting system, which are modules in conventional braces and clips in self-ligating braces. Technically, ceramic braces isn't a special form of braces, but a special form of brackets. There are metal and ceramic brackets in both conventional and self-ligating systems. Metal brackets are more visible, while ceramic brackets are clear and blend in better with your teeth. You may want to consider ceramic brackets if you don't want people to notice that you're on braces. However, ceramic brackets can still stay in over time if not taken care of properly. Second, metal brackets are tough and less likely to break. Ceramic brackets have a higher chance of fracture since the material is more brittle. If you play rough spots a lot, it might be wiser to go for metal brackets to avoid costly repairs. Otherwise, both brackets work with the same principle and can both move your teeth into better alignment.
Finish already okay, thank you everyone for watching bye bye, see you next time.
Haven't finished
Haven't finished man? Okay, I think I understand what you talk about, but actually your auntie so old already, no need to wear braces very embarrassing I just accept okay, bye bye.
Wait! Clear aligners are your answer. Clear aligners is a type of invisible braces. It utilizes a clear plastic device called a liner, something like your friend's retainer, to move your teeth. To check out how braces move your teeth, check out this video, link in description. Now, let's compare clear aligners and normal braces with the 5 C's. First, can you see it? The greatest advantage of clear aligners is that it is invisible, so no one will know that you're on orthodontic treatment. Compliance. You will need good compliance and self-discipline in wearing your clear aligners, since your teeth are able to move only when you're wearing your clear aligners. Normal braces are fixed onto your teeth 24/7, so for people with less self-discipline, you know which one to go for. Cleaning. Cleaning your teeth is easier in clear aligner treatment since you can brush your teeth as usual. Well, in normal braces wearer, you need super floss, interdental brush, or water floss to clean around your brackets properly. Comfort. In clear aligners, you may experience mild discomfort for the first few days when your new aligners are being fitted tightly onto your teeth. In normal braces, you may experience discomfort, soreness, or ulcers from the brackets and wires rubbing against your cheeks. Cost. Clear aligners cost more than normal braces. The cost for normal braces ranges from 4 to 9,000 ringgit or more, while the cost for clear aligners ranges from 10 to 25,000 ringgit or more. Now that you know the differences between various types of braces, you can choose one that is the best for you. If you're still unclear, you can always consult your nearest dentist. On the next episode of Brace Yourself, we'll be talking about how braces can change the shape of your face. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. As usual, I'm Dr. Kayla and I'll see you next time. Bye!